Fantastic!
Healthy yummy snacks, it's picnic time. Healthy yummy snacks fell on the ground. Help me carry them, pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun. But it can be so hard. Baby, don't you worry. When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up high. Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. A police officer is on the way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around? Oh no, you're acting no good. Magic doors, wow, wow, wow. A whole new world you hide inside. Adventure awaits on the other side. Let's go now and enjoy the ride. Dragons fly up so high, high, high. Eggs falling from the sky, sky, sky. It's super fun, just like a pizza party, yay, yay, yay. Pizza party, hooray, hooray. Pizza bell on the ground. There is no pizza for us now. Let's make a new one right.
Cut. Head. Wings. Antennae.
Always be nice to your
Eyes.
friends. You don't have to be mean. You ice cream, yummy ice cream. I love to eat it every day. Ice cream, yummy ice cream. It's my favorite dessert. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, or caramel. It's my favorite dessert. The princesses will save you fast. We are a team, we'll help you, don't worry. We never stop, we always have a goal. Working together is the best. Princess fingers will fix this
Wow.
mess. Always ready, come on, come on. Uh-oh, where is my lovely mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, please. I lost my pretty mouth. Have you seen it? Is it your mouth? No, no, no. It doesn't look like mine at all. Is
Good
it your
job.
mouth? It's so hard to put a window on my pretty
Wow.
town. Little fingers, time to show up. You can all work together and help me out.
Wow!
What we imagine is coming to life. We create
Wow!
I want to with a pencil. We will draw a nice color. Here you go.
Wow! Good job!
And show your fin. Red
Blue.
shark. Hello,
Purple.
hello, red shark.
Red.
Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. Red
Wow.
shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, shark, shark. Oh no, no, something is wrong. My doll is in danger. What's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out. 5 little fingers. I'm really
Orange.
hungry. Is that cotton candy?
Pink.
It looks so tasty.
Blue.
I want to take a
Green.
bite. My pretty doll, what do you taste like? Oh, my tummy feels so funny. Oh, my tummy feels so funny. I think I need to go poo poo poo. Don't you worry, don't you worry, don't you worry, don't you worry. The toys will wait for you. Hoo hoo hoo. Come and sit on the potty, potty, potty. Take your time on the potty, potty, potty. You can do it. Don't hold it in. You will feel better. Yes, you will. You will.
Aha!
What is this cool pattern? I wonder what it does. I think
Yeah.
it can do magic. Let's check it out.
Aha!
Wow, I love it. Time to use it now. Mama, mama, magic control.
Red! Whoa!
From a different world.
Yeah!
Mama, mama, magic control.
Yellow. Green! Whoa! Yeah!
I can't hide and take Uh-oh, where is my lovely
Woohoo!
mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, help me, help me, please. I lost my pretty mouth. Have you seen it?
Aha! Yeah!
It's your mouth. No, no, no.
Thread.
Totally, it takes the colors away. All I have
Foil.
to do is splash, splash this way.
Blue!
I lost my perfect
Red.
color.